Okay, y'all, we're out here in Parkside today, working on this home right here, getting the Govee going with the Govee perm track. This is before the Neverfall mount covers go on and the paint goes on, but this gives you an idea of what we're able to do in just a few hours today. We're gonna have to finish up tomorrow. We're on a limited schedule today, but let me show you what we got. Okay, so we're doing fence to fence on this home. So this is where our power is gonna go into the garage. That'll get all tucked away nice and neat. And you know, here's how our tracks run. And you can see here on this initial run, coming down. And we've got a splice here that's gonna happen. It'll get tucked away where there'll be no wires or anything there. It'll come out, you know, right up here for that one. And then running across here, and then that strand ends. And then you can see we got just a small little dormer up there that will go from, our light run will go from here and run up to there in the attic. No wires exposed. Come across in the attic here, and then running on out, and you can see we're getting it going there. So anyway, just a little update from Parkside here in Georgetown. If you're interested in getting Govee installed professionally in a custom permanent manner, I'd love to speak with you. Just you know, check out my links and site. There's plenty of videos for you to review, and I look forward to helping you as well.